All right. Hi. We are here interviewing the folks at Content Workshop about their experience at CyberMarketing2023. First off, Riley, I love your boots.
Thanks. Appreciate it. I'm from the country, so I've got my country cred. My family's a bunch of dairy farmers, so these boots have seen action.
What type of action?
Cow, can I say shit? Cow shit? A lot of cow shit?
Yeah, you can say cow shit.
Yeah, a lot of that.
Awesome. Talking about shit, that's something our conference is not. This conference is awesome, right? What do you think about CyberMarketing2023 and about being a sponsor at CyberMarketing2023?
This is an excellent conference. We've had so many cool conversations and met so many cool people over the past couple of days. Everybody is just really open and genuine, and it's been great. Food's good, hotel's good, the swag is good.
I heard you're already booking meetings.
We are already booking meetings, that's right. As a content agency, I think that's a huge item on a lot of marketers' needs. So yeah, we love hearing what they have to say, and I feel like marketers are usually really not that well listened to. So we enjoy hearing them out and making a plan, helping them take the next step in whatever they're trying to do with content.
Will you be at CyberMarketing2023? And this is not a contract. It's not legally binding, but, you know, it's been such a good time.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, cool. And then, Riley, where can people learn more about Content Workshop?
You can go to contentworkshop.com. Reach out to us at rmanning@contentworkshop.com. That's my email address. Hit me up.
You got it. You got a direct email. Thank you so much, Riley. Can't wait to see you at CyberMarketing2023.
Sure. Let's do it.